Hey, what's going on? Today's video topic is about my personal favorite twist or modification to the law of attraction. What I'm going to be telling you today can have a drastic impact on your life and your happiness, so listen closely and stay till the end. So what exactly is the law of attraction? Some of you might not know. I knew what it was, but I did not know the exact definition, so I wrote it down for you today on this index card. And this is from Wikipedia, by the way, so listen up. The law of attraction is the belief that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. And you can read that for yourself. Oh, psych! I actually did not write that down on this note card because I am a quote memorizing baller. And while the law of attraction is great, what would be even greater is if you were to subscribe to Paramount Perspective. All you have to do is click that red icon that says subscribe below the video and you will be subscribed. And for those of you who do not know much about YouTube, subscriptions cost absolutely nothing. It's not like you're subscribing to a magazine, right? It just helps my channel grow, and I would greatly appreciate it if you guys were to subscribe to my channel. And for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much, and I salute you. All right, so let's get into my personal modification, my personal twist on the law of attraction. To summarize it again, basically what the law of attraction is thinking positive thoughts and then bringing positive experiences into your life. Basically, what you think about manifests itself in reality, okay? I want to take that a step further, and I want to include some action taking, not just thinking. All right, so what I want you to do is go out into your everyday life and be positive, kind, and energetic. And the reason for that is the reciprocated reactions that you are going to get. I think it's reciprocal reactions that you're going to get. Actually, that's how you say the word. Reciprocal reactions that you're going to get from other people. What you give, what you put out, you get back. What you give, you get back. All right, that goes for most things in life. The more you put in, the better things you get out. All right, so let me explain this a bit further. Let's say that you wake up and you're in college or high school and you go throughout your day, you interact with your friends, maybe a few strangers, just interact with people around you, right? What I want you to do, once again, is be positive, kind, and energetic. And that has to do with the reciprocal reactions that you're going to get back. So if you're positive, kind, and energetic, what type of reactions are you mostly going to get from other people? Most people are going to act in a kind way back to you. They're going to give you energy back. They're going to try to match your energy level. They're going to be helpful to you. All this stuff, right? You don't get what you want out of life by going through your interactions in your life being a negative person that complains all the time and that drains energy from others. And that's a good point to make, actually. A good way to think about this is basically be an energy giver rather than an energy drainer. All right, so let's do the reverse. Let's say you go through life and you are very negative, you drain energy from others, and you're not kind. You kind of have a standoffish character to yourself, right? What type of people is that going to attract? You're going to attract the people that are also negative, standoffish, and that are energy drainers who complain all the time. You see, the positive people that exude energy do not want to be around negative individuals that complain all the time. That's a harsh truth, but it's just facts, okay? I have seen the direct impacts that this has on my life, okay? Hell, I even won Best Personality in high school, which I don't even think I'm that deserving of, to be honest with you. I really was only close with a few people in high school. I really didn't go out much. I really didn't go to parties that much. But just because I focused on being a kind, energetic, helpful person, people seemed to like that, and they actually voted me Best Personality. It still blows my mind to this day. But basically, every interaction that I was getting back was kindness, right? Energy. People liked being around me because of those things that I exuded. Am I deserving of that title? I'm not sure. But I'm telling you that it has dramatic impacts on your life and happiness. If you go through life and you're very positive, all those things that I just mentioned, other people are going to be that way towards you, and you're going to attract better people, I'm telling you. And remember, social circle, the people that you hang around with, is so important when it comes to your happiness in life. It's so important. The people that you hang around have a direct impact on you because most of people's thoughts are about social. Most of people's happiness comes from I guess their achievements, what they do with their life, but also the people that they hang around and just your general character overall, right? So that's what I want you to do. I want you to start going through life. I want you to be positive, kind, energetic, and helpful. If you're helpful to others, people are going to want to help you back, right? Just think about the law of reciprocation. What you put out, you get back, all right? So that's my modification for the law of attraction for you. I'm Stephen Lawrence. Go kill your day. Be positive. I'll see you later.